In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create bookmarks and hyperlink to a bookmark in Word. By the end, you'll know how to mark a spot in your document and create a clickable link that jumps right to it, which is perfect for long reports, manuals, or any document where you want quick navigation. First, let's create the bookmark itself. A bookmark in Word is simply a named location you can jump back to later. Start by selecting the exact text you want to mark, or place your cursor at the location you want to return to. This could be a heading, a figure caption, or any important point in your document. With that selected, or the cursor in place, go to the Insert tab and click Bookmark. A small dialog will appear asking for a name. Type a name without spaces. Word won't allow spaces in bookmark names. If you want it more readable, you can use underscores or camel case, like Section Overview or Figure 2. When you're happy with the name, click Add. That's it. Your bookmark is now set. Next, let's create a link that jumps to that bookmark. Highlight the text you want to turn into a hyperlink. This could be words like "Go to Overview" or any phrase that will make sense to someone reading. With that text selected, go to the Insert tab again and click Link. You can also press Ctrl+K on your keyboard if you prefer shortcuts. In the Link dialog, look for the Link to options on the left and choose Place in this document. You'll see a list of available locations, including the bookmark you just created. Select your bookmark from the list, then click OK. Your chosen text is now a hyperlink pointing to that spot. When you click the link in Word, it will jump straight to the bookmark location. Depending on your settings, you might need to hold Ctrl while clicking. If that's the case, Word will prompt you with the correct action. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Choose clear, meaningful bookmark names so you can recognize them later, and keep your hyperlink text descriptive. That helps both you and anyone else reading your document understand where the link goes. If you don't see your bookmark listed when making the link, make sure you clicked Add in the Bookmark dialog and that you didn't include any spaces in the name. And that's the process. Create the bookmark, then link to it. Simple, precise, and a huge time saver in longer documents.